All right, this is our 2016 Firework stashes. We have Silent Night. We have Jester and Ball Bullet rockets, and then we have various other little rockets. Over here, we've got 200-gram cakes. We've got Venom, Mighty Cobra, Mars Invader, Awesome. We have 3 black labels. We have 3 other salute cakes back there. We have 2 Wickeds. We have Power Pop, Emerald City, various. The Big Show, which has American Star, Sexy, Gold Wave, Palm, etc. We have 3 12-shot Walloping Warheads. We have Rain and Fire, some kicks. We have Bling King, Arctic Blast, a bunch of just small little cakes. And then we have a few 500-gram cakes back there. We have red, white, and blue. Black Magic. Some other ones. A few fountains. Not a big fan of fountains, but there are a few there. 2 300-shot Saturn missiles. We have 3 Dragon artillery shells. We have a fully loaded canister kit. C4. We have 2 of the zombie canister kits, or shell kits by Powder Keg. We have a C4. We have some of the mini ones just to play with. We have a Dream Team 12, some other little minis. We have Excalibur, Nuclear 24, the New York Harbor Show. These are all
parachutes,
single shot counter strikes, some big firecrackers, 4 packs of Bermuda Triangles, some migraines, some kryptonite type things, all of our fusing. This is all of our parachutes. And then over here we have some sparklers, some magic lights, Roman candles, some spy candles. Then we have a box of just copperheads and mega banger shells. And then of course we have all the smoke items and things like that.